Hello! Today I'm going to show how to find reversal points. First, I'm going to find trend channels. Then I'm going to find symmetry lines that are related to those trend channels. And finally, I'm going to show how to use those symmetry lines to find reversal points. I'm going to create my trend channel by encapsulating the trading range between two parallel lines. Now I'm going to create a symmetry line that extends to one of the reversal points in the past. Now what does this really give me? Well, at this point it doesn't really give me anything, but if I can create a same line on the other side of the channel, I can find some properties that define the relationship between the lines. So let's do that. In order to do that, I have to measure the distance of my newly created symmetry line from my channel. And now I'm going to move it over to the other side. And now I'm going to clone. Now that we've done that, you can see that there's a clear relationship between the two lines on each side of our channel. You can find this type of symmetry relationships if you apply different intervals as well. I'm going to show how to find this relationship in a weekly chart. These two trend lines are formed by connecting major reversal points. They form a trend channel that lies in the middle of a long-term trading range. As it was the case with daily charts, weekly charts have same symmetry properties. I'm going to create another parallel line and then measure my distance and carry the distance over to the other side. You can clearly see the symmetrical properties of the chart. You can use different angles when you define your trend channels, and you'd be able to find similar properties. The symmetry principle is behind a powerful computer model created by IntelliCharts. There's literally hundreds of thousands of different ways you can draw these symmetry lines. What the computer model does, it actually accounts for all of them. The result of these computer simulations is the most probable range that the stock might be trading in the future. I'm going to show you what the quantitative analysis outcome looks like. This is how the computer model sees the future of Google on a 5-minute intraday chart. There's two different ways the data can be presented: probability range and probability path. Factor points are points derived from crossing symmetry lines described earlier. Each point can be individually analyzed. If you click on it, you're going to see the point's properties. This particular point shows cross count of over 3,900. That means that the symmetry lines crossed at the particular points over 3,900 times. Each point is assigned absolute, resistance, and support factor values that are derived from symmetry channels that cross at a given point. As I mentioned before, these lines represent the most likely way that the stock will trade in the future, as seen by the computer models. Now these lines recalculate dynamically as the new trades take place during market hours. The forecasts are available not only for intraday intervals. You can also view most probable trading ranges for both daily and weekly charts. The probability lines can additionally be adjusted for negative or positive market bias. Positive directional balance adjustments reflect computer models' most optimistic view of the future. Stock market forecasts are available for any stock with enough historical data to perform quantitative calculations. You can order stock market forecasts by following the link on the bottom of the control panel. All forecasts are recalculated daily and updated automatically. You can find IntelliChart's download link in the video description.